Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy chocolate at home. First, you'll need a few key ingredients: raw cacao powder, cacao butter, and a natural sweetener like maple syrup or erythritol. Begin by gently melting your cacao butter in a double boiler or a heat-safe bowl over simmering water. Ensure the heat is low to prevent burning. Once melted, you're ready for the next step in creating your delicious, wholesome treat. After your cacao butter is melted, gradually whisk in the raw cacao powder and your chosen sweetener. Mix until the batter is completely smooth and free of lumps. This ensures a silky texture for your finished chocolate. Now is the perfect time to add any desired flavorings, such as a half teaspoon of vanilla extract or a small pinch of sea salt to enhance the taste. Get creative with your healthy chocolate by adding various inclusions. Consider stirring in chopped nuts, dried cranberries, or a dash of cinnamon for extra flavor and texture. Once your chocolate has set, remove it from the molds. Store your homemade healthy chocolate in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 2 weeks, ready for you to enjoy anytime. Making your own chocolate allows you to control the ingredients, ensuring a treat rich in antioxidants and low in refined sugars. This means you can enjoy a delicious snack that supports your well-being without compromise. It's a truly satisfying way to indulge. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.